Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Doubleclick. Today I just wanted to share a quick video. This is going to be a listing in my Etsy shop. It's a junk journaling kit. So I just wanted to share a quick view of the items that are in that listing. So the first thing is this extra large computer paper. It's about 15 inches by about 11, and you get 2 sheets of those, and these larger sheets are going to be folded in the envelope. We have 2 Carbonless old laboratory report forms that will be included, some blank press board tabs, 6 time cards. We have 2 extra long ledger sheets, and they run about 14 inches by about 8.5. These also are going to be folded in half. And then we have some full colored magazine pictures. These are from an Arizona Highways magazine from 1961. I'm sorry, these things are really long, so it's hard for me to get a full view, but you get one full pullout of the color, and then also you get just the printed sheet, and at least one of the pages on these is dated. Let's see. There we go, 1961. So you'll get these 2 or something similar. If this posting sells, I'll just keep this up for information. We have 4 sheets of the black lined paper, 2 sheets of some old music paper. It's double-sided, and then about 24 inches of this vintage vinyl wallpaper border. Okay guys, so that is my newest Etsy shop listing. My store is Doubleclick Connect. Thanks so much guys for stopping by, and have a great day.